I'll show you how to replace them. Easiest way to replace smoke detectors, get your brand name, so that this is a Kiddie brand, and get yourself a new one that is Kiddie brand. So if it's FireX, get a FireX. If it's whatever brand your smoke detector is, get one that's that brand. Then we'll show you what to do with it once you get it. Now that we have our ladder down, set up with something, a blanket or sheet or something to prevent it from scratching the floor as well as catch any droppings, we're going to take our replacement smoke detector. So these are a Kiddie Pro Series, the KNCOPE-ICCA. These are a battery backup